Do consumers rely on their purchases to communicate their identity? If yes, which purchase type is more informative, material, experiential, or activity-facilitating purchases? While existing literature finds experiential purchases, those made to live through, are more identity informative than material purchases, those made to possess a physical object, recent research on activity-facilitating purchases, those made to integrate into one's hobbies, suggests they can better communicate someone's identity than material or experiential purchases. This research conducted 3 studies to see if material, experiential, or activity-facilitating purchases communicate more about one's identity. Study 1 surveyed 264 people and found that they believe that a person only knowing their activity-facilitating purchases would know them better than a person only knowing their material item purchases. But respondents also indicated that someone would know them equally well if they only knew their activity-facilitating or experiential purchases. Study 2 surveyed 306 people and found that they believe they would know a stranger better if they only knew their activity-facilitating purchases over only knowing their material item purchases. But respondents also indicated they would know a stranger equally well if they only knew their activity-facilitating or experiential purchases. Our last study surveyed 300 people and found that they believe that if they were to meet a new, important person in their life, knowing their activity-facilitating purchases would give them more insight into the person, be more useful when meeting, and more fun to talk about than knowing their material item purchases. However, respondents believed that if they were to meet a new, important person in their life, knowing their activity-facilitating purchases or experiential purchases would be equally insightful and useful. But experiential purchases are believed to be more fun to talk about than their activity engagement purchases. Overall, activity engagement purchases are more identity informative than material purchases and equally identity informative as experiential purchases. In conclusion, consumers recognize that their purchases can inform others about their identity and that they use others' purchases to inform judgments about them. Accordingly, managers are encouraged to identify the specific values consumers expect their activity-facilitating purchases to communicate, perhaps through analyzing interviews. Then they can craft marketing messages that support the identity-related information consumers desire. Although this study makes important contributions to marketing, more work is needed to fully understand the role purchases play in supporting and communicating consumers' identity projects.